Here is the synopsis. Thunderstorms will move across the region.
What is it? Oh, SDR watch. Yes! Finally!
Weather message. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm.
Oh my God!
86, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following nearshore location: Conneaut, Ohio to Ripley, New York. Remember, a severe
Never got on my
thunderstorm
phone,
watch
so
means the conditions are
might as well
favorable
keep
for the
it.
element of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
I actually caught
Stay
them good
weather
on my
radio,
camera.
commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.